I almost feel like we need to start over because of that insanity that happened. So, in this first SakuraCo box, it says, nice to meet you, let's have tea. The first treat is the strawberry, dorayaki. This is like a little strawberry sandwich thing. Sorry guys, this actually takes a minute because I like to... Well, I guess I don't need to explain all the treats this time because I explain the treats as I open them too. So I won't explain all the treats this time. I'm gonna run out of places to put them. Success, we made NetChan lose her words. It's not hard, actually. Calling out old stuff, that's a little rude, right? And then these are those crackers that are supposed to be supposed to be, what is the word I'm even looking for? Soy sauce flavored. There we go. It's crazy, guys. You guys are crazy. Thank you. Oh, I think this is a little cakey thing. This is the, I think this is probably the peach. Yeah, the Okoyama White Peach Castella. As usual, all the packaging is really pretty. It's rude, but you're a sundere, so you mean the opposite of what you say. I don't have anywhere to put all these treats. Here we go. Oh, we've got 2 of these. I think these are another... Yeah, these are the strawberry castella. So these are little strawberry snack cakes. They feel really soft. I love their, like, snack cake textures. They're so spongy and yummy. Like, all of you are nice people. We are nice. You are all wonderful people. And I love you. What is this? This looks like it might be a mochi. Ta-da! Focus. There we go. I'll just tell you guys what all the things are. Maybe? Maybe? What is this? What is this? No, maybe it's a Moncasa. So that actually might be like a wafer texture, if that's what I think it, if that's what this is. Oh, interesting, interesting. We got another little snack cake thing. This one's got a lot of snack cakes. Yeah. Oh, this is a peach. This is a peach sandwich. Which is okay. Still peachy, but that's okay. Not as much peach in this box as there was in the other box. Oh, it's so little. This little takoyaki is so little. It's just a little guy. This is classic red bean paste. So, we'll try that eventually. You hate peach? I don't love peach, but I am gonna try peach for the sake of the few peachy things in here. It's not as much peach as the other box was. Well, I just bought bits but never got them. Weird. I wonder if you need to refresh, Snake? That's weird. I feel like it's such a struggle. Alright, and then this is, I think this is a, yeah, this is a matcha, like a matcha snack cake. A castella is what they call it. And sweet Sakura Tea. Oh, so this is one of the teas. Cute little package. So I'll have to like brew teas before stream. And then we try them. Is this the same flavor? Yep, sweet Sakura tea. There's 2 packages. BRB gonna refresh. Alright, sounds good, Snake. What is this one? I think, oh, this is like a little strawberry cake. Oh no, this is a Sakura one. This is a Sakura cake. Yeah, so this is made with, this is a little snack cake. It's made with Sakura extract. Hey, oh. Then we got some little star candies. Just straight up crystallized sugar. Yes! Crystallized sugar. What is this one? Oh, what is this? I can't tell. The package is really cute though. You guys can't even really see the coloring of the package. Let me try and turn down the lights, see if you can see it better. Yeah, there we go. So cute. So cute. What the heck, Snake? That's weird. What is this one? Oh, this one is another, this is a Sakura Mochi Monaka. Cool. I have to remember we're not reading about it. What the heck? I would message Twitch for sure. Oh, this is another Sakura Monaka. This is just a different shape from the other one. Yeah, that's messed up, Snake. I would definitely file something. What is this? What is this? I don't know. It's a really interesting package. I'm trying to see if I can figure out what this is. What? It's messed up. I'm sorry, Snake. That's messed up. It's poopy. It's dumb. I would say they're not the best platform, but honestly, no platform is perfect for this. Hey, sounds good. That's a good plan, because then maybe you can get more. Oh, this is okay. So this is like a mochi dish. Looks like it's like a little mochi cup, like almost like a pudding cup with mochi, with Okinawan brown sugar syrup, and dusted with soybean flour. This is probably the one I'm the most worried about. No, I 100% agree, Snake. It's not cool. That's not okay. I hope that something definitely can be done for you. This one feels broken, which unfortunately just happens being sent overseas. Stuff breaks. I think this is probably, oh, this is a Sakura shrimp senbi. So this is gonna be like a cracker in the shape of a Sakura blossom once we open it. Oh no, this one is also broken. This is a Sakura-sen cracker. But yeah, these are really fragile treats. So these are the kinds of things that I don't expect these to make it through international shipping. All these packages are so cute though, guys. Oh, one more treat thing. Oh, that one's super broken. That is a shame. That is a shame. This was supposed to be like a little like rolled tube treat, like a wafery crepe roll, but it is like demolished. But you know, I'm not surprised. Like I said, some of these things, they're just not meant for international shipping. Okay, so those are all the treats, and then this is the one little house good, or houseware, I guess you would, home good. There we go. Home good. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I might give it away. It's really cute. I guess I'll hold on to it. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but it's a little plate with sakura blossoms on it. That's how big it is. Give you a little bit of scale. So yeah, guys, that's our first SakuraCo box. Let me... I guess I don't need to put the plate back in the box. Let me put that behind us. Sorry, it's a little dark. I had it a little dark so you guys could see the packages as the packages a little bit better. I'm just gonna straight up pick a treat today, and then next time we'll start rolling. We'll use dice to roll like Tokyo Treat. I want to try this little strawberry Castella today. There are actually 2 of these, so we can leave one with the rest of the stuff and roll for it again later. Maybe if I can get this open. Open says me. You guys remember when you did a level 3 hype train? What the crap? That was amazing. You guys are insane. You guys are insane. Alright, so it looks like we gotta pull that off. Oh, it's got like another sensitive it's got like another layer of wrapping. Good thing I noticed that. I would have bitten right into it. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. I love it. I love how soft and spongy their cakes are. So it looks like there's a layer of like, probably like a strawberry jelly. And then there's some cream in there. Here we go. Smells good. Oh, so it's not jelly at all. That's just the browning from being cooked and then folded. So it's just the cream. It's really good. I think I would like there to be a little bit more cream in balance to the cake. But it was really good. Had a really mild flavor. Just enough. You could tell it was strawberry. The texture of the cake is really, really good. Yeah, that was delicious.